Good morning, viewers. See, today markets have gapped up, right? Okay. So our strategy is buy on dips actually, right? So as it is not getting updated, I started refreshing. All right. So let us take the charts properly. Sensex and Sensex options. Let us use 77,200 call option we have selected. Now it is trading at 840. Okay, so we shall make an entry this option price at 830. Okay, let us make it 830 and see, I want to make it two entries. See, 832, 830 will be our entry price. Yes, 828. 830 is now our entry price. Alright, we will take a target of 50 points first and then we'll go for another 50 points. Why? Because might be slow movement. So let us wait and take the target moving 840. And see, markets, so keeping in mind in the budget sessions tomorrow, okay, I think bullish sentiment is continued in the market, hoping some remedies for the middle class people like exemptions in income tax. Okay, and I'll make special sessions explaining what will be better to improve the economy. Why? Because economy is being slowed down due to lack of money buying power in the middle class. Okay, how this will impact the economy, I will explain. I'll make a separate video. Now see, our option price is trading at 855, 856 and 860. So 880 will be the target and then again we will make an entry at 830 again. Two times 50 points target will be an easy thing. Sorry, 855, 860. I marked the line at 880. You see, that target has to be reached. Another 20 points. See, very slow. Market is moving very slow. 861. See, 880 is our target. We have marked it there. Yeah, likely to move upwards in the option chain data also. We are likely to get nearest target. Let us see the next one. Data is getting slowly movement is there. Time is 8:22. Still, sorry, not 8:22, and still we have not reached our target 865. 875, 876, nearing the target of 50 points only. That line has to be touched. Then our target is 878, 876. So for 878 is the high. See in Sensex options we should put our target earlier only. Why? Because we can't, after going there we can't catch up due to the volatility. That's why target price has to be placed order before only. 879. Oh god. Yes, target is hit. See, 882 is the high, so the target is taken, and okay, we will wait for the next entry, and that is 830. Okay, in the downside only we should make an entry, right? See, 882 times it is touched. Let us wait for the entry and take. See here, the line has already touched 820. Because of I stopped recording, I could not capture it properly, but in the chart you can see 820 is done. That means our second entry is already done. So next target again 880 will be the target. Okay, so let us watch. Now it is trading at 840 around. You can see that. So I'll bring you back towards the price of the option. See, time is 9:38, and it's trading at 840. So our target will be around 880, right? That is, wait for the target to make 100 points for today. 845. $55, $58. See, the the edge of identifying what option will increase, how much you should take profit, what strike price you should select, and what direction you should select. This really lies. Okay, so now according to the option chain, so this is likely to move towards 77,000 and above, which is trading now at 76,880 nearby, is likely to trade 77,000 and above. Okay, so that's the reason I am on bullish side, and my data also is showing that the price will move. That's why we should wait, and always remember we'll take put capital for averaging also in case goes down. Usually on normal days, because of budget session tomorrow, premiums are high. We usually trade the premiums which are near 500, and average we take another entry at 400, and we take 100 points move at any cost. That's the strategy. Let us wait. Now the time is 9:41 and premium price is 845. So let us wait for 848. Okay, 880 is our target. Another 30 points means it will be done. $855, $862. So first trade around 5 to 6 minutes we have taken the target, and second trade we are waiting. $870, it has gone and came down. Okay, will move. Now the time is 9:43. $868, $870, $73, $75, $80. $880 target is done. See. Okay, and you see, I think it will move towards 900 also. But anyways, our target is done for the day. We need to be happy with what is done, right? Let us check Sensex price. See, it is trading at 77,000. As I predicted that 77,000 is likely to come, and see, it is the plan, perfect plan for entries, and so most probably we are likely to hit the targets with our strategy design. Okay, and see this now the same option is trading at 900, you see, and Sensex has moved, right? So this is for today, and we'll see you tomorrow in the budget session. And tomorrow's strategy will not work actually. We need to plan just accordingly, and my opinion is most likely towards bullish side all people are thinking, but we need to see it. Thank you.